Hey, Jen.
Hey, Kevin.
More beautiful plants in a beautiful place. What are we talking about today?
We are talking about low maintenance, high light to low light plants.
I like the low maintenance. I got that. And then highlight to low light is how much sunlight they need?
Correct.
Okay.
And so these are really all great beginner plants. If you go to the nursery or your home center, these are perfect ones to start with.
So what are they?
So these are highlight plants, meaning like bright sunlight. They want 6 hours of light. We've got a cactus here. This one is a zebra plant, and this one is aloe.
Beautiful. Okay. And then moving down the line, what do we got?
This one is a ponytail palm, and this one is a croton. And they both require and do like a lot of light, but not direct sunlight, so indirect sunlight.
So maybe these are sitting on the windowsill getting blasted. Maybe these are pulled inside on the dining room table or kitchen counter.
Exactly. They'll be happy there.
But do they still want like that 6 to 8 hours of if you can get it?
Yeah, it would make for a healthy plant.
All right. So does that mean that these are sort of the lower light ones here?
These are the lower light, you're in your college dorm room or
I wish. Oh, I wish.
I know, me too. The low light plants, this is a philodendron, this is a ZZ plant, this is a snake plant, and that is a pothos.
I don't know how you remember all these names.
Well,
Okay.
it's kind of fun. And that's the thing, like turn it into a game, get to know your plants. But
So when you say lower light, if that's direct 6 hours or more, if that's indirect but bright 6 hours or more, where are we on the spectrum here?
I would say between 2 and 4 hours.
That's it?
Yeah. So they could really handle that very well. You could put it in a corner. It wants a little light. A couple hours is good.
Cool. All right. So in terms of keeping them alive, I got the sunlight part.
Okay.
Talk to me about soil and watering and fertilizer. Like, what do I have to think about?
Great questions. Okay, so for the full sun plants, the cactus and the zebra and the aloe, they like to be watered, but the water should drain through. So when you're thinking of soil, you're going to want a chunky soil. You want it to be very drainable. You don't want any water to be retained in there.
And in terms of draining, something like this, where you've got the pot, hole in the very bottom, and you can see it pooling
Yep.
in the little tray, you can dump it out. What do you do if it's in a basin? I presume this does not have holes on the bottom?
Yeah, this one does not have holes in the bottom.
So what do you do in that case if you want it
It's
to
a
all drain
great
through?
question because here's what I do. I keep it in its original pot that it came in from the nursery, water it, let everything drain right out, and then put it back in because you don't want it sitting in standing water. You're just going to invite rot.
Okay. Highlights without the direct sun, what do they get for water?
So the indirect sun and all the way down here, they all have a more organic soil matter.
All of these?
All of these.
Okay.
So this is going to be in need of water before these because the sun is going to pool from them.
Makes
right?
sense,
It'll
right.
evaporate. So I would say these are going to need water next, and then these four you could probably water once a week.
And am I trying to keep them moist? Am I letting them dry out? Is it?
You want to stick your finger in for a test. If the first inch is dry, then it's time for water.
Oh yeah. Okay. And so that's how you tell right there.
Yep.
This one needs water. Okay. And do they need fertilizer? And if so, different amounts or different kinds based on?
Different amounts that you could use a water-soluble fertilizer for all of these.
So it makes the concentrate in water.
Yeah, so you could read on the bottle, okay, I have this size plant, how many drops? You put it in the watering can, you water it, make sure it's a sufficient amount of water for the pot. And they're all different ones. Cactus, succulents are going to require different fertilizer than the rest of these.
Good.
So, but it's written on the box, water soluble, easy.
All right, big question.
Yeah.
Guy like me going to keep these alive in my house? You look at my thumbs?
I think you might be okay with these.
All right, that's good to know. Thank you, Jen.
You're welcome.
It really needs water.
All right, let's go do it right now.
How are you alive? You're so dry.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.